Yo, good day everyone. Still your boy Sensible. Today we are on Phantom Wallet. And so now we have to create a username. We are going to create a username so that we could be eligible for some of the airdrops. Okay, there are many airdrops that will be coming to the Phantom wallet. Okay, so now open your Phantom wallet. Open your Phantom wallet. Click at the top here. Okay, you see the small arrow there. Click on it. So when you click on that arrow, this is what will come. So you click here. You see the settings at the top here. You click on it. Then you see here create user name. Okay, create your username. You click there and then you create your username. Okay, you click there. So meaning if you create your username, you can send money through the username of the person. Yes. So you don't need to copy address and all those stuff. You just key the person's username and you are good to go. So when it comes like this, you read all these things, then you click on continue. Okay. Then you put the username. So after you key in your username at Unique Sensible, then you click on continue. Okay. So you can click on collectibles and choose all sort of these things as your So when you choose whatever, you just click on save at the down here. So you click on save. So you click on continue. So when you click on continue, you can see that they say what username created. You can now use your new username in all of your Phantom wallets. So you can see. So just click on done. So now when you are done, click on these buttons. You see the search button at the top right corner here. Click on it, and then you type my username, Unique Sensible. My username will come. My username will come. When my username comes, then you follow me, then I'll follow you back. Okay, yes, so that's it. Thank you. So you click on the search button, you put my username. This is my boss, GH Dominos. Okay, you can search him and then follow him, and he will also follow you back. Okay. So if you want to do it, don't copy the username and paste. Okay, type it at the okay, at Unique Sensible or at GH Domino. This is my boss, as you can see. So I'm going to follow him. So his username just appears. I'll just click on it and then give him a follow. Yes, so that's it. So if you want to send anything, that money or whatever, just click on send and you send. So it's very simple. Thank you.